Yep, good morning, huh? Great way to start the day. D-Rock, you first outdoors here. So, as you can see, sitting on the rim, nice little flat here. And culprit right there. Big old screw jammed in there. So, I'm not going to put the spare on. I'm actually going to pull that out and plug the tire. So I thought it'd be a good idea to just show how to do that, because getting to the outdoors, you need transportation. And get a nail or something jammed in the tire, deflates it. It's a good idea to have a plugging kit so you can repair the tire and keep going. So, quick little video showing how to plug a tire. Simple Simon. Let's get to this. All right, so there's a couple things I always keep in the truck. First is this tire plugging kit by Sky, and it's supposedly heavy duty for trucks, whatnot. I also keep a portable air. And this is the Blair, what model is this? The 88P portable compressor. So this will handle large truck tires, and it's pretty compact, and it just connects to the battery. Pretty simple. So you turn the truck on and this will run. So what I generally do is I'm gonna get a pair of needle nose pliers and yank that screw out of there, and we'll go from there. All right, get a little bigger plier in there now. It's hard to get leverage. I guess I can move the truck up so I could stand above this and pull out. That's the big thing. Well, actually unscrewing it, since it's a screw, seems to be working pretty well. There we go. It's really not a hard job, it'd just be a little tedious. There we are. And that's what was in the tire. Nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little device right here. I'm going to jam it back in that hole to kind of open it up, clean it up a little bit. Right there. If I can get on top of this thing, kind of open it up and clean it a little bit. Nice. All right, next, I've got this tool here, and I'm just going to take one of these plugs, put it through here, and I'm going to twist it down to the tire. So these things can really suck to remove, and I like to keep them in a Ziploc bag so they don't dry out. But, well, actually that came out rather simple. That's good. And I'm just going to kind of flatten that, and then put it through here like that. Pretty simple. And I'm just going to jam that down into the hole and twist, and that'll be our plug. All right, let's come at it from a different angle again. Right in there. Twist it. There we go. Twisting it in gets that plug in there like that. You want to get it to where there's just a little bit of tag end left out. It's a bit of a pain in the butt, but that's how you know the plug's good in there, like that. There we go. See how there's just a little bit of tag out there, and then I'm going to yank this out, and then I'm going to cut that off. All right, so I'm just going to pull this out like that. Plug's in there. Now I'm going to find a razor blade and cut that. Actually, I'm going to pump the tire up first, then I'm going to cut it to make sure the plug holds. All right, so to use this air compressor, it says to turn the truck on. Make sure the vehicle is running while you turn this on. Let's hook to the battery. Let's go. Alright, so it's been just over a minute, and this little compressor here, it's got this tire almost inflated. That's pretty cool. Works fast. And we're almost to 40 PSI, so that's where we want to be. Nice. All right, it's nice and inflated. Get that off real quick. All right, I just put some more air into it, and it's good to go. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little while, just see if it holds air, see if the plug holds, which looks like it's good to go. Turn just a few. Okay, it's been about an hour. Tire's holding good. I'm gonna cut the tag end of this plug off, and I'll be good to go. It's got a little razor blade here, and I'm just gonna cut it off right at the tire there. Yeah, just like that. Doesn't have to be pretty, and this definitely wasn't pretty. It's pretty sloppy actually, but it did the job. And there you go. And that's pretty much how you plug a tire. Pretty simple. Make sure your kit has the tools you need in it. And they're not covered up, so you're ready to go. But that was it. Tire is now plugged, holding air, good to go. All right, thanks for watching. D-Rock out. We'll see you next time.